Hello and welcome to the Databases class at Southern Polytechnic State University. My name is Orlando Caram and I'll be teaching this class. I wanted to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about the class. The first thing that you'll notice, this is a purely online class, right? That doesn't mean that there is less work than a regular class. It just means that there is the same amount of work, but now you are responsible for your own learning, for when you do it, for finding the time to do it, right? And for monitoring your own learning. And as soon as you don't understand something, right, you need to ask immediately. When you are in a regular class, that kind of happens by itself. You're sitting there, the professor says something that doesn't make sense, you raise your hand, right? You have to have the same kind of thing in an online class. You raise your hand by asking a question on the WebCT bulletin boards that will be there for every module of the class, or by contacting me. Check the syllabus for my office hours, email. I'm also on Skype every time that I'm on the computer, which is a lot of time. My Skype handle is Orlandocus. Check the syllabus again. Or even by phone, if that works for you. The other thing that I want to highlight is the project. There will be a final project for the class, and it is not a terribly big application, but it is a complete application, which for many of you, it will be the biggest application you have written up until now. It will also be in probably a different language. We'll use PHP, and you need to do HTML since it's going to be a web-based app. And you're going to be learning all that at the same time that you're learning SQL, which may be a little bit challenging. So if you have never done web dev before, start learning now HTML and as much as you can about PHP. It's not impossible, everybody does it. However, it is challenging, and it is probably a good idea to start learning those things now. You will get at least 8 to 10 weeks for the final project, probably more. That's the plan. But so start preparing, start looking at PHP and HTML, and contact me if you have any questions. Check the syllabus for all my contact information. So see you on WebCT. Have fun.